Welcome to a new chapter of Yummy Ole. Today we are gonna show you how to prepare baked vegetables with Iberian ham and Manchego cheese. So let's see what ingredients we need for. We will need onion, tomato, salt, courgette, red pepper, green pepper, extra virgin olive oil, Manchego cheese, Iberian ham, oregano and mushrooms. So let's start to peel the onion and cut in thin slices. So once you finish cutting the onion, you place in a tray like this. Let's cut now the courgette. You need to remove the skin. It is optional to remove the skin, but depends on your taste. It's up to you. As you finish, you place in the same tray. So let's go on with the mushroom. You need to remove the tail. And we cut also in slices. We finish with the mushroom, so let's place in the same way. Let's go now with the red pepper. You need to remove this and clean it under the water. In order to clean properly the pepper, you need to remove all the seeds, the heart, and try to get rid of the white part. So let's start to cut it. So when you cut the red pepper, you do the same thing. Let's go for the green pepper now. To clean is the same thing. You remove the heart, the seeds, and the white parts. So now we do the same thing. And let's go with the final one, the tomato. This is a huge tomato, so I'm gonna use, I think, half of it. All these vegetables are organic. If you can buy them organic, it's much better. Okay, so let's place the tomato. Need to make some room for the tomato. Once you place all the vegetables, add the olive oil and the salt. Before the cheese, extra virgin olive oil, generous as always. This is so good. So many good properties for the human body, so generous. And the salt. This is fat salt. We like to cook with this one. It's really powerful. So I forgot to tell you that you also add the oregano before the ham and the cheese. This gives a great flavor, like the pizza is used in the pizza. It already smells and is raw. This mix starts smelling really good. So let's go now with the ham and the cheese. We need to cut the ham in small cubes. It's not easy task. The last touch is going to be manchego cheese grated. You can use also parmesano. It will go well in this recipe. But manchego is awesome. It's not really known around the world, but I like more that. Before you put inside the oven, it's better to cover with aluminum paper like this, so it will be cooked inside and not burnt in the surface. We have preheated the oven around 15 minutes, and now let's put inside 200 degrees. We will check how are they cooking. We want them crunchy, so we need to check from time to time. Okay, there are 25 minutes that we kept the vegetables inside the oven, and after 15 minutes we put down the heat till 130 degrees, 140. You need to check from time to time, and let's see the final result. They are well cooked. So this is the final result. I think we achieved our goal. They look really good. The smell is fantastic, and just wait 10 minutes till they get colder to eat. So I hope you enjoyed this new video. If you wanna check more, you can go to our website www.yamiole.com, and if you try at home, please share some comments also with us, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.